Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, fans out there. Hello, OMNI Has. This is the video number 2548, and I'm filming it on Thursday afternoon for trading Thursday night through Friday, March 24th, 2023. Before we get started, please remember the risks behind this game. This is a very risky game. You can lose more than you have planned. Never trade markets of any nature at all without putting your stops in. All right, traders. So last night's video, I showed you this very same chart, and I said this looks like a bear flag to me, and we're going to sell rallies. Well, this was Wednesday's bar. Now we're expecting to see Thursday's bar populate. I will populate Thursday's bar now. And boom, it was exactly that. We dropped down out of the flag. Big test, which is failing right now. It is a bearish pennant flag. Down we go. And also in last night's video, I showed you this chart. And I said, hey, double top in Nasdaq. 1, 2. And when we see a double top, we sell a double top. We know this, right? Well, even though I got a little heat on my YouTube video early in the morning from people who don't know how to trade and they just go crazy. And so the market's going up, yes, but we were waiting for it to go up all morning so we could get short. What happened? Nasdaq rallied up almost back to the double top. That triggered us a short entry for even the S&P. It tumbled, I don't know, let's see, we got it tumbled $50 down and we jumped out. Because when we see a double top, we sell a double top. So we got out of the market, and that was trading set up on Wednesday night for Thursday. And thank you to the Omni, we did well on Thursday. But now let's talk about Thursday for Friday. So the double top is here. The market reacted down from it all day and then rallied back up to like mid-range and closed there, middle of the range at the end of the day, Thursday. Now, what's going to happen Friday? I'm expecting down move. Here we go. Big downside coming. And then we go back and look at the transportation average, which, if you ask me, has been doing a good job leading us around. All right, look at this. I'll make it a little closer for you. See, we're out of that flag. It fell out. So I'm licking my chops at the end of the day today. I can't wait to get short. And then I do my Omni. And what does it do? Gives me a buy signal in even the S&P and Nasdaq. I'm like, what? What do you mean buy? I'm all set up. I'm ready to get short. Why do I got to look for a buy? So instead of us going short, I have no choice but to pull a really deep buy. I am going to buy on a deep dip in even the S&P and or Nasdaq, if I can find a fill. So as much as I planned on selling, let me make that green because no one buys in the red zone. As much as I planned on getting short, all the reasoning in the world for an analyst, Omni says, don't do it. I want you to buy a deep dip in even the S&P or Nasdaq for Friday, and I'm compelled to follow my Omni. So that's what you'll find me doing in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. If you want to join me for the suicide mission we're going to be on, please come join me. Hey, subscribe, traders. Come subscribe to these videos if you have not. Just look right down below this video, hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you are notified whenever I put out one of these videos. And if you really want to get close to us, you'll join me in my free live trading room and hang out with me during the day and night. And if you want to tell me who you are, go to OMNI BOOTCAMP and fill out an OmniCamp questionnaire. All right, kids, that's about it. Please make sure you're safe out there. Put your stops in first. Ignore this because I have to. I'm going to do my best to keep my eyes closed on that. And buy a really deep dip on Friday if we see one. Good luck out there. And remember, put your stops in and keep your emotions out. Say it with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Be safe out there. I'll see you in my trading room.